Thanks for tuning in again, folks, to the Rastaman Builds channel. We are at SEMA, Las Vegas. Today's Thursday. Check out my Wednesday video. It's pretty cool. So we're going to try to show you everything, but we're not going to be able to show you everything. We walk like 10 to 15 miles per day just looking at new stuff. So we start off with the... But before we get there, remember, we got here yesterday, so it's Wednesday, and we want to go out. We're in Vegas, so we took a shower, got dressed, and then hopped in our super fast minivan to get to this Big Sean party. We got free passes, so we went. Yeah, it was awesome. It was lit. As you can see, we had lots of fun there. Yo, you gotta come to SEMA. We got in late, and next thing you know, bam, the day started. And this is how Continental Tire rolls. When they come to SEMA, they don't play games. They roll out the big guns, okay? They bring the toys, they bring the eye candy. They do it right. Thanks. Big shout out to Continental Tire. We had lots of fun. Oh yeah, by the way, we did do drifting as well. What's up, driver?
How's it going, guys?
Good, good. We want big smoky burnouts.
Oh my man.
That's what we need.
We're gonna do the best we can. What we got in the house? Where y'all from?
Jamaica.
Fellow Caribbean.
Yes,
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
We can get some barbecue up in here?
Yeah.
Some barbecue.
Needless to say, as you can see, we're having lots of fun. It's a blast. This is how we started our morning, with tire smoke in our nostrils. Our eyes just got filled with eye candy. We are set up for the long haul of the day to come. And we're on. And yeah, we are.
We're doing this carbon fiber force
For the Tesla.
Saturn collars. Yeah, for Tesla, not just for Tesla.
I'm not sure why I was
cars.
leaning back like that. Sometimes my eyes be getting foggy. Big shout out to DigiPower USA. Their representative there, she helped us to get our bearings because we had lost our way. Came across two more models and a few more models. You guys get the drift. Before you know it, the day evaporates. You're like, what did I do with my day? Well, what happened is you walked 15 miles and you saw 1,000 beautiful women and a bunch of cars and jacked up trucks with oversized wheels, which it's not really my thing, but it's cool. What can I say? It is what it is. And Flex Seal. Put it back together, baby. Boy, let me tell you, I bought stock in Flex Seal. Yeah. I'll tell you about the Flex Seal in a minute. Yo, I met this dude here, super tall. I thought I was tall. That guy was a really nice guy though, but he was really tall. And see some more cool stuff on the outside, stuff you'll never see just riding around town. At least not my part of town anyway. So we're back in the building, checking to see. There we go at the Ford booth. Rastaman got the dreads hanging out. Almost touched the floor. Is that pretty cool? And then this Jeep. Yeah, wanted to see the Jeep. Yeah. All right. Yeah, now she out of the way. Yeah, Jeep, because I just love Jeeps. We walked somewhere and then came across the WeatherTech girls. Oh my gosh, talk about some energy. Yo, they were lit. They say they're the pit crew in the commercial, and I believe them. Yes, I'm on the tag in WeatherTech girls. Yes. Everyone's welcome at SEMA. Even our four-legged friends. Look at this big boy right here. Yeah, go to Papa. Let me see it. Yeah, there we go. That's a good boy. Stars, well placed. Wow. Need I say more? I sure don't. And look who I ran into. Abe Lincoln in the flesh. You never know who you're gonna meet at SEMA. That's why I keep going.
I'm running for 2020.
I'll vote for you for 2020. Believe that. Virtual drag racing for you, anyone? Yep, we got that too at SEMA. Just come on by. All right, folks. This is what you call a ripsaw. 1,500 horsepower Hellcat motor, $500,000, 16 inches of suspension travel, and it seats one. Every true-blooded American needs one of these in the driveway. I'm saving up for it. I'm almost there. Now, I'm really interested in electric vehicle stuff, and this is Chevrolet and their idea of an EV conversion. So, you got 3 motors there. So each motor puts out 400.
Exactly. If you have an 800 volt battery, right?
It's pretty cool. I kind of like it. It's kind of bulky to me though. Ford got, Rastaman.
Yeah.
He says it so well. And then we got cars at SEMA, because it is a SEMA show. So we got cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, all this kind of, yeah. Hey, posters.
Rastaman.
And then you got celebrities popping up. This is Diesel Dave.
Really? Ready to get married? Babe, where's the ring?
All right, so distractions behind us. Let us get back to business. We're at the SEMA show. We want to focus on cars and wheels and accessories and all the things that make it worth building a car. Yeah, so the off-road wheels and tire equipment, definitely we're interested in that. And as you can see here with this particular display, the chrome with the black accents are awesome. And Colombia, I've always loved that country. It's a beautiful country and their people are beautiful as well.
Rastaman.
Rastaman.
Okay. Hi, Rastaman.
Hello, how are you?
How is your day going?
It is doing great.
So I'm sending all my energy and my love with this poster,
Yes,
okay?
I see that. Ah, well, it's a good thing I caught it on here. How much are your
Learning
name?
Spanish with Lynn.
¿Cómo está? Bien, gracias. Y tu mami and papi.
That's her car.
That's your car?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, you drive it every day?
I used to.
I really like this Subaru STI. The blue and the black came off perfect and she had a great personality.
Hi. Don't feel left out, bro. Oh, man. Smile over to the camera.
There you go. Hey, good luck. Good luck.
We gave him some love, give him some airtime, and then we're on to the next booth, and here she is.
Hi, Rastaman.
Hello. Hey, I'm just saying, I'm not trying to do this. We just come across him just by walking. All right, so it was getting hot in here. So we went outside to the Toyo booth where we could cool down a little and just observe a couple cars. It was a little bit better out there, but there were quite a few distractions on our way and while we were there. But we saw a lot of cool cars, really nice cars, and we saw this hardworking dog. Look at his glasses, it's really cool. Saw these vintage Porsches with money in the front. Didn't see anyone hovering by the cars, but I didn't want to take no chances, so I let it be. There goes my boys. It's about 10 miles in and they passed out. Hey, we came across this Valera Corvette. It's a body kit. Well, more than just a body kit, it's a redesign. I think he did a great job. I like it. Some people don't, but I like it. Then this GT40 was on display. So again, as you can see by the shots that I'm taking and putting in here, it's just super cool after super cool after super cool. It's just jaw drop goodies.
Wow.
Nice models.
Yes, yes, please.
Hey, it's SEMA. It's Vegas. It's awesome. We got Rob here. We're just chopping up with Rob just a little bit, having a little conversation, telling me about the RX-7 that he built. It's just, yo, it's a good time all around. This Tundra was used to rescue people in California last year when the wildfires, and this guy kept going back again and again to rescue more people. Toyota actually ended up giving him a new Tundra for his efforts. And then we're on to looking at super cool trucks again. Look at those paint jobs. Look at these cars. They're all sitting nice, on nice wheels, super detailed. Everything is in place. Nothing's out of place. It is just sensory overload for the car guys and girls. There's just so much to see, so much to do, so many activities, so many cool gadgets coming out, and
I ain't got no drink ticket, but I'm a VIP.
beer.
It's for buyers, so you're welcome.
Beer pops up at the least expected places, and it keeps you hydrated. I must say, yo, there's a lot of water in there. So we do that. We got Lamborghinis, we got old school caddies, all carbon fiber. It is just what it is. So here we are. It's the end of the day. We just came outside. We're walking to the car. It's a long walk, and on the walk there, it does not get boring. There's so many things to see. Look at this big blue right here. What is that? Where am I gonna drive that? I don't care. if it's mine, it's mine, and it's cool. I like to see it. I'll fire it up in the mornings. So in leaving, we walk past a lot of booths because sometimes that's when you get the cleanest shots of some cars and stuff because there's not really that many people around. So we do some of that. So we're leaving, but we're kind of dragging our feet a little bit. So that's a little tip or trick. If you're trying to get clean shots, if you come to SEMA, some of the cars, try to get there either super early or try to be in the back of the building when it's about to close so you can walk by all these displays without having like 10,000 people walking into your shots as you try to do it. So we're leaving. It's winding down. It's the end of the day. We walked probably about maybe 13 or 15 miles at this point. So, you know, we're really tired. Our feet are hurting. We're hungry. We want to go out tonight. So, but before we leave, make sure you have a good night, sir.
That's right.
You work.
You have a good night.
You work hard today. You put in a lot of hours.
That's right. They want me to put some more in tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good. You don't want to be sitting home with
No,
nothing to do.
I sure don't.
You know what I mean? So we're happy that you're here, and you do a great service. And I'm looking forward to see you in the morning.
See you tomorrow morning. Sir.
All right.
Set bright and early.
Take it easy.
Have a good day.
You too. You too. Thanks for watching, guys. This was my Thursday coverage of SEMA. I got one more for Friday for the rollout, so keep an eye out for that video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cool runnings, man. Oh yeah, and by the way, I know I'm super late with this video, but hey, life happens. It's still here though.